Are you looking for the best GPS trackers for cars? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best GPS trackers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bouncie. By far, our favorite GPS tracker for tracking a car goes to the Bouncie, $90. The tracker works by plugging into your vehicle's OBD2 port. From there, it not only gets power, so you don't have to worry about charging or replacing batteries, but it also connects to your vehicle's computer and can start tracking a plethora of your vehicle's data. This data includes the health of the vehicle's engine and battery, fuel levels, hard acceleration/braking, speeding, idle time, trip fuel economy, distance driven, impact detection, and curfews. Not only did the tracker monitor and alert us via email and SMS, but it also did so on a very easy-to-use app. The app shows your vehicle's location in real time and logs every data point above. You can easily see where your vehicle is headed and how fast it's going at any point while the vehicle is powered on and in cell range. While the price of the tracker is considerably higher than the other trackers at $90, the monthly subscription at $10 is the lowest available, and there are no monitoring levels, meaning it shows real-time updates all the time. While we love the data provided, the app user interface, and the alerts available, there are a few downsides to the Bouncie. First and foremost, you can't hide the tracker at all. It's very easy to find and remove from the OBD2 port, and any educated vehicle thief or high schooler can easily remove it. Second, the tracker only works when the vehicle is powered on, so if your vehicle gets towed or the battery is dead, there is no tracking. Lastly, this is only compatible with vehicles made in 1996 or newer, as OBD2 ports were not required in vehicles made prior to that date. Overall, if you are looking for a vehicle tracker and your vehicle has an OBD2 port, we would choose the Bouncie, time and time again. Number 2. Tracki GPS. For being small and lightweight, the Tracki, $13, is loaded with features and is 4G LTE connected. While this was the cheapest option we tested, it also came with the most accessories and had a low monthly subscription of $20 or as low as $10 for an annual subscription. One thing the Tracki has down is notifications. It has the ability to send push notifications, email, and SMS updates, including movement, speed, geofence, low battery, 2 preset messages, and an SOS alert. From our testing, we found the device to be very sensitive to movement. The simple act of getting into our truck would trigger the alert compared to the others, which needed the truck to be driven before their movement alerts were triggered physically. The preset messages and SOS alerts were limited to 30 per month combined before incurring additional charges. The app took a bit of time to figure out, but once we were familiar, we were able to quickly and easily view the map in real time, check alerts, set notifications, and more. The Tracki comes out of the box with a handful of handy accessories, including a water-resistant case, belt clip, magnetic cover, lanyard, and Velcro stickers. Additionally, online, you can purchase larger batteries, a hardwire kit for a car battery, and an OBD2 port to power cable, making the Tracki very versatile for different uses. Also, the monthly subscriptions do come in multiple tiers and price structures depending on how many devices you have and how many seconds between updates, from 60 seconds down to 15 seconds. The battery life was the shortest of the ones we tested in full tracking mode, but it does have a battery saver mode where it will only turn on to track at specific intervals that can help improve battery life. Overall, the low price of the GPS itself and the monthly subscription without a lack of features or accessories rocketed the Tracki into our best budget choice. Number 3. Spytec GL300 Mini. The Spytec GL300 Mini, $18, is another great vehicle tracker. Its rugged, durable, waterproof magnetic box makes it a perfect option for tossing underneath or outside a trailer, truck, car, or camper. The app is easy to use for real-time monitoring and provides a great set of alerts and notifications delivered via mobile, web, email, and SMS. This tracker has the ability to record and send notifications about trips taken, speeding, geofence entry/exit, movement, distance traveled, and trip duration, as well as a low battery and charging status. A notification can also be signaled if the SOS button is pressed. While this is an extensive list of alerts, they are only configurable on the desktop app, which, when traveling away from home, can be frustrating. Though the mobile app doesn't allow alert configurations, it does have a wide range of information about the tracker, including real-time map updates, how to use it, live support, and more. Although we did like the tracker a lot, it was the largest, heaviest, and bulkiest of the trackers we tested. Though rugged and durable, the weatherproof case was even bulkier, making it hard to conceal on any vehicle. Extra accessories include extended battery cases and hardware kits. The monthly cost of $23 was on the higher end for subscription tiers as well. Overall, the Spytec was an extremely reliable, accurate, feature-laden tracker. When matched with its weatherproof case, it was the most durable and rugged tracker for mounting on the outside of any vehicle. Number 4. Apple AirTag. You're correct, the Apple AirTag, $25, isn't known as an automotive tracker and it technically doesn't use GPS. But its affordable price tag with no monthly subscription cost, the fact that it functions as a tracker, and its small size and long battery life make it easy to hide in a vehicle. So we wanted to test and include this option in our guide. The AirTag does not use cell towers or satellites but instead uses Bluetooth to track its devices. Each time the AirTag comes in proximity with another Apple device running iOS 14 or above, it uses that device to ping out and back to your Apple device. The Find My app shows users the last pinged location on a map and includes lost and find modes. Thanks to a replaceable CR2032 battery, the AirTags have a claimed 1-year plus battery life, and our testers 4-pack are all on 1 year and 3 months of battery life. Their compact size makes them very easy to stash in a vehicle, backpack, or, really, anything you want to track. The downside of the AirTags really shows in a few ways. First, there are no alerts like movement, trip start/stop, geofence, and more that we see in all the other trackers. Second, they only work with Bluetooth proximity and won't track without cell coverage or if there are no iOS 14 devices around. Lastly, if someone who isn't the owner starts moving with the AirTag, it will send an alert to their Apple device, letting them know they are being tracked and how to locate the device. Overall, the impressive battery life and $0 monthly fee make the AirTag a great contender for Apple users. Number 5. LandAirSea 54. The LandAirSea 54, $30, was the only tracker that came fully waterproof without an additional case and that used a satellite network instead of cell towers. These two factors alone make it a powerful tool for discreetly and accurately tracking your vehicle or any precious item. What stands out about this tracker is its enclosure. A small, black circular design not only boasts full waterproof casing, but also has a pinpoint on-off switch and a built-in magnet so you can hide this tracker just about anywhere. Unfortunately, the waterproof charging cover isn't attached and is easy to lose when charging. Luckily, they provide a second cover with the box. Additionally, the satellite network can track down to inches, anywhere in the world, compared to cell towers or Bluetooth network trackers. While the Silver Cloud app isn't the most user-friendly, it does show real-time tracking of your device, satellite connection, and battery life. However, the notifications are limited to geofencing, speed, and battery life. The app is also limited in terms of what you can do, as there is only a history of the movements and not a history of the alerts triggered. On the phone app, you can also manage the Energy Saver battery mode, where you can set the tracker to only update every 24 hours, giving upward of 6 months of battery life. Overall, this is a great stealth tracker for protecting any valuable asset. As long as you don't mind the limited alerts and confusing app, the incredibly accurate satellite network that works anywhere in the world is a good enough reason to choose the LandAirSea.